At 5 p.m. in Central Square, Cambridge, two officers were flagged down by a panicked bystander. A man had fallen onto the active mbta Red Line subway tracks below. Sprinting down to the platform, officers Miguel Mijares-Munoz and Deric Maddaleni found the man lying across the railbed, unable to move, inches from a 600-volt third rail. A station worker shouted, "The nearest train is in 1 minute!" With no time to cut power or warn the oncoming train, both officers dropped 4 feet into the dark pit. Dodging the live third rail, they grabbed the injured man and hoisted his full weight up to waiting bystanders on the platform. With seconds to spare, both officers pulled themselves out of the pit to safety. The victim was hospitalized with non-life-threatening injuries, and both officers were commended for their courage. Click the screen for our next breakdown.